Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we will be taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one is a polar white. Under the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 382 pounds of torque. It has front and rear LED lights. This one comes with 21-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels, black trim, black mirror cover, salad brown interior, panorama roof. Tires are in good condition. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 43 AMG badging, power liftgate, fresh set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, coming around back here, plenty of space in the back here. We've got rear heated seats and climate control. Coming alongside over here, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this up. Navigation, surround view backup camera, our hard keys, heated and cool seats, dual climate controls, cup holder, our command center, and our dynamic driving settings. This one also does come with a driving assistance package and parking assistance package. The vehicle only has 35,114 miles, clean Carfax, and all service records available. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.